Linking web pages. A website is a collection of web pages which are interlinked with each other and contains related information. These web pages are linked with the help of a feature of HTML called hyperlink. A hyperlink is generally an underlined text which, when clicked, will take you to another web page. Generally, hyperlinks are seen in blue color. Images can also be used as hyperlink. When mouse is hovered over it, the mouse pointer changes to hand shape. HTML allows us to create two types of linking, which are interlinking. The process of linking a particular section of the same web page is called interlinking. In this case, the hyperlink and the linked section appears on the same web page. Hence, interlinking is also known as internal linking. Intralinking. The process of linking a web page to another web page of the same website or another website is called intralinking. It is also known as external linking. Anchor tag. Anchor tag is used for creating hyperlinks in HTML web pages. It is a container tag and used as hyperlink text, where hyperlink text is a text or an image. The A tag has the following attributes. href. href stands for Hypertext Reference. It takes the URL of the web page which we want to link when we create external linking. Name. This attribute takes the section name of the web page as its value when we create internal linking. VLink. This attribute is used to set the color of the visited links. Link. This attribute is used to set the color of the links. A-link. This attribute is used to set the color of the active link. Target. This attribute is used to specify the place in which the linked web page will open. It takes any one of the following four values. Blank opens the linked web page in a new window or tab of the web browser. Parent opens the linked web page in a parent window or tab of the web browser. Self opens the linked web page in current window or tab. Top opens the linked web page in the window that is on top in all the windows. Title. This attribute is used to define the title of a link, which appears to the user as a tooltip. External web pages can be linked using href attribute of the anchor tag. The href attribute takes the URL of the web page in double quotes. First page of a website, also known as home page, contains various links of the other web pages. Let us take an example of a website of the ABC Public School in which we are using external linking. The home page of the website is as shown. Preceding web page contains 6 hyperlinks: admissions, events, sports, activities, about us, and contact us, which are created by using the A tag. The code to create the home.html web page is as follows. In the preceding code, we have seen that A tag has been used 6 times to create 6 hyperlinks. Each hyperlink is related to a different web page. For example, the activities hyperlink is linked to the activities.html web page. When you click on the activities hyperlink, the activities.html web page will appear in your web browser window as shown. The code to create the activities.html web page is as follows. In internal linking, the hyperlink points to a specific section within the same document or web page. This is helpful especially when a long web page is divided into various sections and a list of all section heading is displayed on the top of the web page. When you click section heading, you will reach to the related section explanation, which is located down somewhere on the web page. This can be done using the A tag as at the top where section headings are to be shown, right? Here, #act is the name or label given to the explanation section. This command tells the browser that the hyperlink references to the name #act. When the section heading is clicked, it will move to the explanation section where name or label #act is written. Where section explanation has to be shown, right? Now, when any section heading at the top of the web page is clicked, you will be reached to the respective explanation section. Let us take an example of internal linking. The flowers.html web page contains 4 hyperlinks which are linked to the different sections of the same web page in which they appear. Code to create the flower.html web page is as follows. When we click on any link, we will reach to linked section as shown.